Hello, children! Welcome to Teacher Ivy online class. Are you ready to learn? A, B, A, B, ab, ab. K, ab, k, ab, cab, cab. L, ab, l, ab, lab, lab. N, ab, n, ab, nab, nab. Let's read together, children. Cab, lab, nab. Your turn to read, children. A, t, a, t, at, at. K, at, k, at, cat, cat. R, at, r, at, rat, rat. B, at, b, at, bat, bat. Let's read together, children. Cat, rat, bat. Your turn to read, children. A, d, a, d, add, add. D, add, d, add, dad, dad. M, add, m, add, mad, mad. S, add, s, add, sad, sad. Let's read together, children. Dad, mad, sad. Your turn to read, children. A, m, a, m, am, am. H, am, h, am, ham, ham. R, am, r, Am. Ram. Ram. D. Am. D. Am. Dam. Dam. Let's read together, children. Ham. Ram. Dam. Your turn to read, children. Ah. N. Ah. N. An. An. K. An. K. An. Can. Can. M. An. M. An. Man. Man. R. An. R. An. Run. Run. Let's read together, children. Can. Man. Run. Your turn to read, children. Very good, children. See you on my next class. Goodbye.